Welcome to our top 5 outdoor fire pits you need for your backyard video. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 1, we have the classic fire pit. Its timeless design and practicality make it a must-have for any outdoor space. Next up is the modern fire pit, perfect for entertaining guests or simply enjoying a quiet evening outdoors. This sleek design is a showstopper. At number 3, we have the metal fire pit with barbecue grill. This versatile fire pit allows you to cook up a delicious meal while staying warm by the fire. In fourth place, we have the indoor tabletop fire pit, ideal for smaller spaces or even bringing the cozy ambience indoors. This fire pit is a unique addition to any home. And finally, at number 5, we have the fire pit table combo. Combining the functionality of a fire pit with the convenience of a table, this innovative design is a game changer for outdoor living. No matter your style or space, there's a perfect fire pit out there for you. Which one will you choose for your backyard? From the classic fire bowl to the modern fire table, each of these fire pits offers something unique to enhance your outdoor experience. So, whether you're roasting marshmallows with the family or hosting a summer barbecue, a fire pit is essential for creating unforgettable memories in your backyard. Thank you for watching our top 5 outdoor fire pits you need for your backyard video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more outdoor living inspiration.